So we're going to make pepper shrimp today, and we need green onions, carrots, bandania, onion, 3 bell peppers, some lemon juice, a piece of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 pimiento peppers, 1 scotch bonnet pepper, 2 pounds of shrimp. Washed and drained. We're gonna add the pimiento peppers, 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of black pepper, ginger and garlic, the bandania. So now we're gonna mix it up. Teaspoons of lemon juice, we're going to heat 2 teaspoons of sesame oil on high. Okay, so now we're going to add the scotch bonnet peppers.
That is fried for like a minute, okay?
Okay, so we're going to put the shrimp in now. Cook for 1 minute. Half a cup of ketchup. So 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. You can really feel the pepper in your throat. Like, our sinuses are all cleared out now. So we're gonna add carrots, the 2 carrots, the medium onion, bell peppers, and green onion. It looks very colorful. So we're gonna add another half cup of ketchup, so a cup of ketchup in total, and a half cup of water. I'm gonna let it cook for like 2 minutes. So it's done. Very spicy. It's really good. Really good sweet onion. Very crunchy. It tastes really good.